Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make a ranking system in Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. Let's consider two ways to create a ranking system. To do this, we have a list of movies in the first column, and in the second we will add a rating to each movie. We put the cursor in cell C2, then go to the Insert tab, find the Smart Chips option a little lower, and then select the rating. Rating is a function that we extend to the bottom of the table, and then click on the cell and select a rating from 1 to 5 for each movie. This method limits us to only 5 stars. If you need, for example, 10, we will use the following way. Let's add another column for clarity and call it score, and then enter a digital score for each movie. This score will be useful to us for a formula that will show the rating for each movie. Select cell E2 and enter the formula. The star is created with the char function, which returns a character based on a Unicode number. Since the number 9733 in the Unicode table means a black star, and we use the repeat function to repeat the star the right number of times. That is, in this case, repeat 9 times. Press enter and agree to apply this function to the entire column. If you need something more fun, you just need to chain the Unicode, which can be easily found on the internet. For example, I used this website. We enter the word star or something else, and in the search we get a lot of options that can be used instead of a black star in the rating. I liked this white medium star. I select it and find the Unicode of this star below. I copy it and paste it into the formula in Google Sheets. And this is how the rating symbol flexibly changes. You can insert anything you want. It would be a wish and Unicode. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.